Good evening. Welcome to Sunnyside Cafe. How many people are in your group today?
Good evening. Just two of us.
Yes, we are two.
Great. A table for two. Right this way, please.
Thank you.
Please have a seat. Would you like to sit by the window or here?
By the window, please.
Sure. Here are your menus. I'll be back in a few minutes to take your order.
Thank you very much.
Thanks.
There are so many dishes, I don't know what to choose.
Yeah, do you want something with meat or something vegetarian?
I think I want something light, maybe a salad or soup.
I'm really hungry. I want something big, maybe pasta or a burger.
The chicken soup looks nice, but the salad looks fresh too.
Look at this picture of spaghetti. It looks really good.
Yes, it does. I still can't decide.
Are you ready to order, or do you have any questions?
I have a question, please. What is in the Caesar salad?
It has fresh lettuce, grilled chicken, croutons, Parmesan cheese, and Caesar dressing.
Is it spicy?
No, it is not spicy. It is very mild.
What about the spaghetti bolognese? Does it have beef?
Yes, it has ground beef and a tomato sauce.
Great, thank you.
Thank you. Now I can choose more easily.
Are you ready to order now?
Yes. I would like the Caesar salad, please.
And I will have the spaghetti bolognese.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of orange juice, please.
I will take a bottle of water, please.
So, 1 Caesar salad, 1 spaghetti bolognese, 1 orange juice, and 1 bottle of water. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Sounds perfect.
Great. I'll bring your drinks right away and the food will be ready in about 15 minutes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm very hungry. I hope the food comes soon.
Me too. But it usually takes some time.
Yes, good food takes time.
This restaurant is really nice. I like the music.
Yes, and it smells so good in here.
The waiter is very kind too.
Yes, good service makes a big difference.
Here is your Caesar salad, and here is your spaghetti bolognese.
Wow! It looks so fresh. Thank you.
And this smells amazing. Thank you very much.
Enjoy your meal. If you need anything else, just call me.
Okay, we will. Thank you.
Thanks.
This salad is really tasty. I like the dressing.
My spaghetti is full of flavor. I love it.
We made a good choice.
Yes, I'm glad we tried this place.
Do you often eat at restaurants?
Not very often, maybe once or twice a month.
Me too. I like home food, but sometimes eating out is fun.
Yes, it's a nice change.
Excuse me.
Yes? How can I help you?
Can I have some more water, please?
Of course. Still water or sparkling?
Still water, please.
I'll bring it right away.
That's nice. They are very quick.
Yes, I like this service. I'm full. That was a delicious meal.
Yes, I really enjoyed my spaghetti.
Should we ask for the bill now?
Yes. Let's ask.
Excuse me, can we have the bill, please?
Of course. I will bring it in a moment. Here is your bill. You can pay by card or cash.
Thank you very much.
Let's check the bill. It's $20 total.
I will pay this time.
Are you sure we can split it?
It's okay. You can pay next time.
All right, thank you so much. That's very kind.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you. You too.
Thank you. You too.
That was such a nice meal.
Yes, and the place was clean and comfortable.
I think this is my new favorite restaurant.
We should bring our friends next time.
Good idea. Maybe next weekend?
Sure, let's plan it.
Hello. Is this Sunnyside Cafe?
Yes, good afternoon. How can I help you?
I would like to make a reservation for tomorrow evening.
For how many people?
For 3 people at 6 p.m., please.
Got it. A table for 3 at 6 p.m. tomorrow. What is your name?
Anna. Anna.
Thank you, Anna. Your table is reserved.
Thank you very much. See you tomorrow.
Are you ready to order?
I have a small question. Do you have vegetarian options?
Yes, we have vegetarian pasta, vegetable soup, and grilled tofu salad.
I am allergic to nuts. Does the salad have nuts?
No, our Caesar salad does not have any nuts. But I will tell the chef just in case.
Thank you. That's very helpful.
You're welcome. Here is your food. 1 burger and 1 chicken soup.
I'm sorry I didn't order a burger. I ordered the Caesar salad.
Oh, I apologize. Let me fix that for you right away.
Mistakes happen. It's okay.
Yes, thank you for correcting it.
Thank you for your patience. I'll bring your salad in just a few minutes.
Everything was so good today.
Yes, I really like the food and the service.
Excuse me, can we speak to the manager?
Hello, is everything all right?
Yes, we just want to say thank you. The food and service were excellent.
We had a great time here.
We hope to see you again soon.
Definitely.
Definitely.